Hello, Creatic team. It's Peter here from Creatic, obviously. So back for a Tuesday tip this time. Monday was extremely frantic, but I wanted to make sure that I touched base with all of you today. So I'm coming to you with a Tuesday tip today. So first, I'll give a just an overview where we're at with COFIT and also with Amplify, and then I will get on to today's Tuesday tip. So with Amplify, we have our brochure. With COFIT, we have our brochure complete. We even locked down a bonus logo design, which is already completed from a masterful logo designer. I'll be sharing that design with you and obviously with all of you very shortly, because we are on our way to get it to print, which I'm hoping is going to be tomorrow, which is Wednesday here in Sydney, or on Thursday. And the printers are very quick, so we'll have those brochures back in about a week, and then hit the ground running, meeting all the COFIT businesses in the area, and also reaching out to other agencies to empower them and enable them to do the same in their areas. Here in Sydney, we just signed up a colleague of mine who is in just a couple suburbs over, who runs his agency, and he's very much interested and wants to be a part of it as well. And yeah, it's going to be a very fun organic process on just signing up these businesses and then getting them all onboarded, and then reaching out to the consumers, the patrons that we call them, in December. So that is with COFIT. And with Amplify, we're pretty much all set there. I am going to be doing a bit more tweaking on the package offerings themselves. And I got a little bit more information today as far as how to just bring more value into those packages. And what I'm going to be doing is a formal introduction and overview for Amplify for our team, because I haven't even done that yet. But I've been making my way, speaking to different team members here at Creatic about getting some of you involved into that program, which I think would be very cool. So look out for that. Alrighty, so today's Tuesday tip, it actually comes from an ebook that I have that I'm working on. I actually have it paused at the moment because I want to stay focused and make sure that we deliver on COFIT and also Amplify first. But then I'm writing an ebook, and this is more for entrepreneurs, especially conscious entrepreneurs, obviously, and for freelancers and even contractors, because these are just a collection of the fundamentals that I have learned myself over the last 15 years of being an entrepreneur. So I've been compiling everything into one little ebook, and then I'm just going to be giving it away to like-minded entrepreneurs. So I thought I would take a page from the book and share it with you today as one of our Tuesday tips. So this is actually the number one. It starts with, there's a stack of fundamentals that I have within the ebook, and this is the first one. So it's very basic because, everything starts on a basic level. And this one is the power of intention. So I'm not sure when exactly I came across the power of intention. And it sounds just so basic, like gratitude does. But I will tell you that when used correctly, I would say the chances of delivering, whether it's a project, a task, creating a new habit, making a new growth step, the chances of it succeeding would be far greater. I would say maybe at least by another 50% when the intention is set first. So an example is when I quit smoking. So I quit smoking multiple times. I had a running joke because I used to smoke for about 15 years, which is really sad that it's bad for you, because I actually did enjoy it. It was bad for you, and it stank as well. But I had a running joke which said that I'm the best smoking quitter because I've done this so many times. But what finally helped me quit was when I actually set the intention. So when we actually set the intention, that's where all the magic is, and we can do that by things like setting a date for when we're going to do something. It could be by journaling it and kind of just documenting what we're going to be doing and how we're going to be doing it. The point is that we want to be making the decision and be very, I would say, deliberate about that intention. And so once that intention is set, then when we actually go to take the steps in order to do it, because we've already made the decision in our mind to do it, the success rate of that actually happening is far greater, as I mentioned. So I would like to invite you to just use the power of intention as much as you can, whether it's just like, embarking on a new venture, a new journey, a new task or project, personally or professionally. Set the intention of what it is that that you want to do, that you intend on doing, and just see how much greater of a success rate that actually happens. So for me, for example, each morning what I do is I plan my day, and I have a list of my top 3 priorities I want to finish that day. I also have an intention setting spot on my little journal where I set out what my intention is every single day. And that's what works for me in order just to be regular about setting like a daily intention. But even if it's just something that I'm looking to create in the meantime during the day, obviously we're working on multiple things throughout the day. As much as we can remember to set the intention of what we're going to do, then you'll see that magic actually happen where it succeeds much more effectively. So I hope that helps. Please feel free to just leave a message down in Slack if you're working with intentions, or if you have worked with intentions, then what your experience has been. And let's talk about it. All right, you guys have an awesome week ahead. Thanks so much for being here, and we will chat soon. Bye-bye.